Okay guys, let's gonna play with the ring cut on this escape. Remember, not all the time the tools works in all cars. Sometimes can be a problem. The line is snapped, the clips breaks, whatever. Okay, that's normal. So the technique is the key. Alright, let me try. We already opened with the pre-cut because sometimes this guy's got a lot of glue. And if you catch the molding, that's gonna be a problem. Sometimes there's a lot of glue behind these guys. This one's done. I need to place these guys. They're toast. Okay. And you can clamp, let's say probably maybe here, because here is no area. That's why I like the small suction cups now, because I got more area to catch my drill. I forget the other one, so I'm gonna use just one. I like this one because they fit most of the time in all the places. That's it. So the second clamp, the R clamp, is because these guys don't make this move. But I forget it home. I bring it on Monday. Okay guys, so we finished. So see you in the next side. You see, she's a lot of shit here, but no problem. So see you in the next shop. I'm gonna use the ninjas in the other side because I have to bring another one, but that one is for the passenger side. A long time ago I made double shaft spoon, but it's expensive now, so it's better just one single. Alright guys, see you in the next shot. Thank you.